Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see how to make cheesy stuffed mushrooms. This will be very tasty and will taste so good. For the recipe we need around 250 grams of button mushrooms. You have to remove the stem. We are going to make a small cup out of this. Use a spoon like this and carve it to make a perfect cup. Do the same for rest of the mushrooms. So the mushroom cups are ready, and for the stuffing we are going to use these stems, so cut them into smaller pieces. The chopping part is over. Now let us move on and make the stuffing. For the stuffing, take a pan, pour some olive oil in it. To this add 2 chopped garlic cloves, quarter cup of chopped onions and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give this a nice saute. We are going to saute this until the onions turns translucent. Once the onions are done, add quarter cup of chopped tomatoes. Now let us add the required amount of salt. The tomatoes will get cooked quickly if you add salt now. Once the tomatoes are done, you can add the chopped mushrooms. Mushrooms will leave water, so you don't need to add any water to cook them. Mushrooms usually will get cooked quickly. Once the water from the mushroom gets completely evaporated, you can add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and few chopped curry leaves. Finally, let us add some mozzarella cheese. Saute this until the cheese gets completely melted. Here the stuffing is ready. Once this cools down, you can stuff this into the mushrooms. Our stuffed mushrooms are ready to be cooked. Today for the recipe I am going to use Solara air fryer. You can also cook the mushrooms with the help of an oven or a pan. Solara air fryer is compact and easy to use. Now let us remove the basket and grease it with oil. You have to apply oil like this. Now let us place the mushrooms inside. Place the tray back inside the air fryer. Once the fryer is on, it will show 180 degrees Celsius. The right side is a temperature button and the left side is a timer. Other than the manual settings, you have 6 pre-settings. You can easily cook meat, chicken, mutton, fries and cakes with this one button. And for the mushrooms, we are going to set the temperature manually. We are going to cook this at 200 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Take the basket out after 6 minutes. Now top the stuffed mushrooms with mozzarella cheese. Place the basket back into the air fryer. It will start where it left. So the remaining 2 minutes is for the cheese to get melt down. The time is over. Let us take it out now. And here the stuffed mushrooms are ready. Let us top this with few coriander leaves and give a finishing touch. For the recipe I have used Solara air fryer. If you want to buy one, the link is there in the description box. You can click it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.